Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be working on putting together some thread storage for a small sewing space. So without further ado, let's get into it. Well, I'm not necessarily about recording every single thing that I do, but I did want to get some footage of this. I typically go to Lowe's and get some of this board here and place golf tees down so that each of the threads stay in their place. But the problem is that the golf tees come off. So what I'm going to do is hot glue the golf tees directly down inside of the container and then place all of my threads inside without this little thing on it. And hopefully that will do better. And I'll just come back and show you what it looks like when I'm done. For this, I use the Sterilite stackable trays from Target, and I basically just used the pegboard here and used it as a guide for the ones that I'm going to do. And I'm not going to use the pegboard anymore. I'm just going to put it directly into the container. I think you get more room that way, and it might be a little bit more sturdy as well. So this is what it looks like completely filled. There are 54 embroidery threads in this. This is what it looks like nearly empty. And this will also fit 54. And they stack on top of one another. So this is a small space storage solution. And I do prefer to get all of my threads in this size because it's just easier to store. This is what the thread storage looks like in some better lighting. I think that this turned out really well because you are able to store a lot of thread in a very small space. And then also you are able to then pack away your thread and carry it with you wherever you are going. So this is really great for someone, especially if they were to be selling it like a flea market or something like that. You could bring your embroidery machine along, carry all of your threads with you in this small footprint. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to receive more sewing related content.